Hey everyone, today I am going to show you how to install one of those little steps that goes underneath your rear bumper on the Nissan Frontier. I picked it up, opened the box, all the parts are there, but there's no instructions. There's a paper that gives you instructions to go to Nissan-tech-something.com, but then it would take an hour to peel through there to try to figure out where the instructions are for this product. So I'm going to do a really quick video, not a lot of detail, but just show you how it is so you can kind of see it before you buy one. Okay, it's really cool, and I'm excited to have it, so stay tuned. I put this together with the included bolts that came with it, and then I just need to see how it comes with these two other big bolts, and that must be how it goes into the frame. So I need to look underneath and see where that is, but let me go ahead and tighten these up. These have Loctite on them, so that's good. Okay, so these two are 15 millimeter and this is a 12, and like this one is 21 millimeter for this big guy. Okay, so underneath here, there's these three bolts. I don't know if you can see them. 1, 2, 3. So you take out these top two, okay, and then the way this is cut out, it's got a little divot in it right here, and that's gonna, the head of this bolt here will fit inside that divot. So just take out these two, and then you're going to replace it with this one. I'm sorry, the filming's not great, but you get the general idea. So that is, so here's your trailer hitch, comes in, hooks in right here. This is to the side of it. So to get a look, you just peek under there. So really it's just two bolts that holds it on. Should be pretty simple. All right, so I got that in. It's a 19 millimeter to take out the factory bolts, and then the 21 to put those in. It actually looks like you won't be able to get to it, but with this short extension, I was able to get both of them tight, and that's it. So it just kicks back up. I like it. Short video, hope it's helpful. Comment if you have any questions.